My dog is staring at me. It's a little creepy. Hello, hello. Today we're going to play with the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Blurring Tint Foundation. This is newer. It's not brand new. Just go ahead and read what's going on. So this is $14. I got the shade 09 Light Medium. 24 medium coverage matte shades. Introducing the NYX Professional Bear With Me Blur Tint Foundation, a medium coverage blurring foundation formulated with skin-loving ingredients. Sounds pretty typical these days. Skip the IG filter. Introducing NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Blur Tint Foundation. Effortless, no filter needed. Makeup results with a flawless, smooth, matte blur finish that never looks cakey or ashy. Available in 24 shades to enhance your color while being breathable. Fade and transfer resistant, a little goes a long way. Good to know. Perfect for normal oily skin or combination skin to help control shine. This skin tint provides 12 hours of hydration, up to 16 hours of wear. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients, glycerin, matcha, and niacinamide. This lightweight, everybody's talking about niacinamide these days, and I have no idea what that is. I should probably look that up at some point. This lightweight slip texture foundation will leave your skin looking blurred and healthy. Imperfections, blurred. Pores, blurred. Discoloration, blurred. Texture, blurred. How to use. Use the Bear With Me Blur Tint Foundation brush to buff the product all over face for an even streak-free blurred finish. Feel free to layer for our fuller coverage. All right, I've moisturized and put on my sunscreen. We're not gonna waste this. We're gonna put this right on the face. A little bit goes a long way. I probably squirted out way too much. Let's get to blending. Initial application. It's definitely blurring. It's blurring pores. It's a little drying. I mean, that's what it said in the description, right? So we're expecting that. Because it looks a little dry on the skin, but I think I'm gonna like that throughout the day. I think it's gonna help keep me matte. It's very light coverage, like it just barely covered this like little acne scar that I'm trying to get rid of right now. Definitely did not get rid of my dark circles, but it masked them a little bit. Initial application, it's a little drying, but I'm digging it. So look at this. So this is the done side, and then not done side. It's pretty good, and I think I got a pretty good shade match, honestly. So I think it looks pretty good. I have high hopes for this, for sure. Let me plop the other side on and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished applying it. I need to clean up with my setting spray and my brows, but look, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. It did collect a little bit of my beard, which is not, I'm out of breath just from standing up, which is not typical when I use a brush. It is when I use my fingers, it kind of gets caught in there. I'm gonna clean it up with the setting spray when I do my brows, but I just wanted to let you know that it did kind of get caught in my beard a little bit. Let me see if it's, well, I think the rest of my beard is fine. Okay, let me clean up. Okay, I'm liking it on initial application. After looking in the mirror, after it's like dried down a little bit, it does look just a little heavy. And it did get caught up in my beard and got a little bit weird here when I was cleaning up my brows and doing a little bit of the middle. It did get like a little streaky, but if you like from far away, it looks really good and blurred. Like it's just, if you look up close, it just looks a little heavy. And it looks really good on camera, honestly. Like really good on camera. Okay, so you know the drill. I'm gonna carry on with my day and we're gonna check in and we're gonna see what I think. I am back. You're probably not gonna be able to tell on camera, but I am a sweaty hot mess. So this is gonna be a pass for me. So it just went on kind of drying. And then like I have just gotten so sweaty and so gross throughout the day. I powdered a little bit. It looked good for a minute and now I'm just like really sweaty. I actually look good on camera. But I can tell you, I can promise you in person, it does not look good. It blurred the skin. My dog's getting into something. He's such a menace. It blurred the skin if you looked far away. Like if you were far away, it looked good on the skin, but up close, like it just looked really heavy and cakey. And then like I have this like little blemish right here, and it just kind of clung to that patch. And yeah, so it's gonna be a no for me. It might be for somebody, I couldn't even tell you who it's for, because I would say, okay, maybe if you have oilier or drier skin, but then it went on so dry, like if you had dry skin, I feel like it would be like too dry and too matte. He's like making a whole mess over there. And if you have oily skin like me, like combo oily skin, like I'm just like a sweaty hot mess. So I don't even know who this would be for. I had high hopes for this. I was excited when I put it on, and I was like, oh, okay, like it looks kind of good. But then I was like, I got out into my car and I'm like, it looks heavy. And anyway, no, this is gonna be a no for me. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this review. Hit that subscribe button to check out all of my upcoming videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I will also link down below a playlist link to all my other reviews. And yeah, let me know what you want to see in the comments. Let me know what you think about this product if you've used it before. And yeah, I will check you on the next one.